इधर ही रखना है। चलें
चलें।
इधर
रेडी।
Assalamu alaikum, my dear. We are Kaswa Explorers, Pakistan. We are here to show you the beautification and the amazing tracks and the natural beauty of Pakistan. Pakistan is a land of beauty, land of peace. Kaswa Explorers' motto is Kul Siru fil Ard. It's the Quranic verses. Let's see this beautiful waterfall. What a waterfall it is. We are in the Astor Valley. Astor Valley, a beautiful valley of Pakistan. We are Kaswa Explorers. I am Asif Riaz, chairman of Kaswa Explorers. I'm here to show you the beautification, the colorful, the variety of weather in Pakistan. Pakistan is a peaceful country and very friendly nation. Come to Pakistan. Thank you.